This video is for educational purposes only. Please use your skills responsibly. We'll walk through 15 hands-on projects to build your cybersecurity skills, from Wi-Fi security to phishing simulations. Let's dive in. First up, let's dive into the world of Wi-Fi password cracking, a fascinating project that's both educational and eye-opening. For this, you'll need a wireless adapter that supports monitor mode, which lets your computer listen to all Wi-Fi traffic in the area. You'll also use specialized tools found in Kali Linux, a popular operating system for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers. To automate the process, you can write a script that tests each password from your word list against the captured handshake, speeding up the attack. The real lesson here? Weak passwords are cracked in seconds, while strong, complex ones can withstand even the most determined brute force attacks. You'll witness firsthand the sheer power of brute force attacks and how quickly simple passwords fall. This experience highlights the importance of strong digital hygiene, using unique, complex passwords and updating them regularly to stay safe. Ultimately, this project is essential for anyone who wants to truly understand wireless security and protect their home network from real-world threats. Next, let's take a hands-on approach and build a simple keylogger from scratch. We'll use Python, a versatile and beginner-friendly language, to capture every keystroke you type and log them to a file for analysis. This project will introduce you to the concept of system hooks, special functions that allow software to monitor and react to system events, like keyboard input. You'll also discover how software can interact with the operating system at a very low level, gaining access to sensitive data and processes. The key takeaway here is just how surprisingly easy it is to create such tools, even with basic programming knowledge. That's why endpoint security, like antivirus software and user awareness, are absolutely critical in today's digital world. By building and testing your own keylogger, you'll see firsthand what types of personal data are at risk if your device is compromised. You'll also observe how modern antivirus tools might detect, block, or quarantine these threats and learn about their limitations. Ultimately, this exercise is a powerful lesson in digital self-defense, helping you understand both the risks and the protections you need in our connected world. Phishing isn't about hacking complex systems or breaking through firewalls. It's about tricking people, not code. Cybercriminals rely on human psychology, using clever tactics to make their messages look real and urgent. That's why understanding how phishing works is so important for everyone who uses the internet. To simulate a phishing attack, you can build a fake login page and craft a convincing email. But remember, always get full consent from your test subjects before running any simulation. The goal is to educate, not to deceive or embarrass anyone. When someone enters their credentials on the fake page, log the attempt securely, then immediately redirect them to an educational page. This page should clearly explain the signs of phishing, such as suspicious links, urgent requests, and unexpected attachments. The real value comes during the debrief. Take time to teach people how to spot suspicious URLs, recognize urgent or threatening messages, and notice design flaws that often give away phishing attempts. Encourage questions and discussion to reinforce these lessons. Remember, this project is about raising awareness and empowering people to protect themselves online, not about tricking or shaming anyone. Every online action sends data packets. Let's see what's really happening. Build a packet sniffer in Python using SCAPI or raw sockets. Capture and parse packets to reveal layers like Ethernet, IP, and TCP, UDP. Filter for HTTP traffic to see plain text data on non-HTTPS sites. This project demystifies networking and shows you the real flow of data. Use it only on your own network. It's your backstage pass to the internet. How secure is your system? Build a basic vulnerability scanner to find out. Automate checks for open ports, outdated software, and common misconfigurations. Cross-reference service versions with known vulnerabilities from databases like CVE. Learn the value of automation in security and the importance of keeping systems updated. This project teaches systematic thinking and proactive defense. Find and fix issues before attackers do. What makes a password strong? Build a tester to find out. Analyze passwords for length, character variety, and common patterns. Check against lists of weak passwords and suggest improvements. Learn about entropy and how attackers crack passwords. It's a practical tool for building better security habits. Social engineering targets people, not computers. Build a toolkit with phishing templates, USB drop scripts, and OSINT tools for awareness training. Include notes on psychological tactics like urgency and authority. Simulate real-world attacks in a safe, educational way. Learn how attackers gather info and how to defend against manipulation. Strengthen the human firewall. Ransomware locks files and demands payment. Let's simulate it safely. Write a script to encrypt files in a test folder using reversible methods. Generate a ransom note explaining what happened and how to recover. Build a decryption tool to restore the files. Learn the attack lifecycle and the importance of backups. Understand why prevention and recovery plans matter. Brute force is about trying every password until one works. Build a simple login form and a script to test passwords from a word list. See how long it takes to crack weak passwords and how defenses like rate limiting stop attacks. Experiment with account lockouts and other protections. This project shows the limits of brute force and the value of strong authentication. Always test on systems you control. It's a foundational lesson in password security. SQL Injection lets attackers manipulate databases through insecure code. Build a vulnerable web app that concatenates user input into SQL queries. Test with crafted inputs to bypass authentication or extract data. Then, fix the vulnerability using prepared statements. Learn why input validation is critical. This project makes secure coding real. Never trust user input. A WAF protects web apps by filtering malicious traffic. Build a script to send attack payloads, like SQLI and XSS, to a test app behind a WAF. Analyze which attacks get blocked and which slip through. Learn to interpret server responses and improve WAF rules. This project teaches you to think like both attacker and defender. It's a real-world lesson in web security. Every network service listens on a port. Find out which are open. Write a Python script to scan ports on a target IP. Identify open, closed, and filtered ports. Add features like multi-threading and service detection as you advance. Port scanning is essential for both attackers and defenders. It's a rite of passage in network security. Email spoofing fakes the sender's address. Here's how it works. Use Python to send an email with a forged from address to your own inbox. Inspect the headers to trace the real source. Learn about SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, protocols that fight spoofing. See why email security is so important. Understand the weaknesses and defenses in email systems. Bluetooth is everywhere and not always secure. Use tools to scan for nearby devices and log their info. Probe for available services and learn about the Bluetooth protocol stack. Discover vulnerabilities like blue snarfing and blue jacking without exploiting them. This project is about passive reconnaissance and understanding wireless risks. See the invisible network around you. Steganography hides messages inside images. Build a Python script to encode text in the least significant bits of an image's pixels. Create a decoder to extract the hidden message. Learn about binary data and file formats. It's a creative way to explore data manipulation and concealment. See how secrets can hide in plain sight. That's 15 projects to launch your cybersecurity journey. Each one builds real skills, from Wi-Fi cracking to social engineering and secure coding. Pick a project, build it, break it, and improve it. Stay curious, keep learning, and always use your skills ethically. Let us know which project you'll try first in the comments. Subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.